weeks ago I uploaded a video on a great alternative to the Urban Decay Brow Blade that's half the price. The only downside is there wasn't a shade comparable to Cool Cookie, which is my favourite, which is an ashy shade. That wasn't until I discovered the shade Soft Black, which is their darkest shade, which I didn't even contemplate trying. That was until someone online recommended it for people with blonde hair or brows that are more ashy. So as you can see, it isn't a traditional black shade as you might anticipate. And now I'm swatching Cool Cookie next to it so you can see the comparison. It's not quite as taupe coloured as Cool Cookie, but when I compare the deep brown, which is on the far left, compared to Soft Black, which is in the centre, it's definitely slightly cooler, so I wanted to give it a try and I had to share it with you. So here's a clip from my previous tutorial using this pen. This is the shade Deep Brown, which is slightly warmer, which is great, but I definitely wanted something more like this, which is the Soft Black. And here you can see a before and after of my brow filled in with the Soft Black. And now you can see the comparison between the Deep Brown and the Soft Black. It's definitely slightly more ashy. I know many of you, especially in the UK, are finding Cool Cookie much harder to get your hands on. I know in America it's still widely available, but here in the UK it's not. And also it's quite expensive. So for me, this is a great alternative as it's a dual-ended pen. So one side has a fine nib, the opposite side is like this one with the 4 prongs. I'm going to do a quick demo, but I won't go too in depth on how to use this pen because I already did a tutorial, which I will link on screen for you now. If you want to see the exact how to, click on that tutorial because I go into depth on how to use it. Using the 4 prongs, I'm starting at the base of the brow, flicking upwards to create hair-like strokes, but then you need to rotate the angle of these 4 prongs when you're working from the top down towards the center of your eyebrow, because the direction of the hairs naturally grow in a different direction to the front. So you need to bear that in mind when you're using a pen with 4 prongs like this. You can see this already matches the color of my hair a lot better than the deep brown shade. I still prefer the colour of Cool Cookie, however I don't want to pay £23 every time I want to get a new brow pen when I can pay £11 and I can use a colour like this. Here you can see I've rotated the pen and I'm using the opposite end now, which has a single nib, which is half the size of the Urban Decay one, so you can get even finer strokes with this. Going back to the colour, I do wonder whether this would be suitable for those of you that have black hair or very dark brown eyebrow hair, because clearly I don't and this works for me, but this is the deepest shade that they offer, so it makes me wonder. I think they should have labelled this as a taupe shade and then actually had a darker shade available for those of you with darker hair naturally. But that's just my opinion or my thoughts on this particular colour. I'm really pleased I saw someone recommend this online so that I could give it a go, because this really does work for my hair. I actually sent my sister a gif of Aladdin saying, "Do you trust me?" And I sent her this and said, "It says Soft Black, but trust me, give this a go," because she also uses Cool Cookie and both of us are hanging on to the few that we've found here in the UK. Also, with the prongs being so soft compared to some of the original innovations of this style of pen, these are super soft, very flexible. They make filling in your brows so much faster. You can also see that they really do stain the skin quite well, because I can really comb over them and they don't disappear, but it does soften those lines slightly. So when you fill in the tail of your brow like here and you feel like it comes out quite solid or a little bit harsh, you can really comb over it and work it into that skin. The stain isn't going anywhere, but the spoolie will help soften the lines so they look less drawn on and just more like soft hairs. So if you are a blonde and your hair is naturally cooler, or you're like me, you have brown hair but your brow colour is slightly ashy, a little bit lighter, and you find that most things pull too warm, too orange, I highly recommend giving Soft Black a try. Again, it's only £11, and the lighter hand that you use, the lighter this product is going to be. If you want a more intense finish, then you apply a bit more pressure. And this is how it looks even when you've done your eye makeup. So this was from a tutorial last week, which I will link on screen for you now. I haven't made them any darker. This works both with no makeup on your eyes as well as a full-on eyeshadow look. So I hope that's been helpful. As you know, we don't gatekeep around here. I really wanted to be able to find a product that would be a great alternative to the Urban Decay Cool Cookie. I think I found it. I will continue to keep looking, but I love this product. I will link everything down in the description bar so you guys can shop. I do know they went out of stock after I uploaded my video 2 weeks ago, and that's not just from my recommendations. it is a product that is viral on TikTok at the minute as well. As always guys, please give the tutorial a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on the colour in the description bar. If there's a shade that you think might work for you, please let me know. It's really great to get feedback on these kind of tutorials to know that you guys find them helpful. Hit subscribe if you are new to my channel. My name is Shonagh Scott and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.